Founded in 1985 by Sri S.A. Ramamurthy, Srimukha Precision Private Limited has grown from its first partnerships with Lucas TVS and Ashok Leyland into a trusted name in precision engineering. Built in a strong vision to become a global leader, Srimukha continues to innovate and inspire. Our experienced experts. Guided by a strong leadership team, Srimukha is powered by decades of expertise and a passion for innovation. Our people are the driving force behind every achievement, bringing skill and dedication to every detail. Together, we strive to shape the future of precision engineering. Our philosophy is simple: respect humanity, harness potential, and strive for excellence. Our mission is to enhance the quality of life of all stakeholders by being obsessive about quality and customer delight. At Srimukha, quality is not just a process, it is our driving force. Precision products, proven performance. Armature shafts, built for accuracy and endurance. Rotor assemblies, precision engineered for consistent performance. Output and drive shafts, designed for strength and reliability. Clutch hubs, delivering durability where it matters most. Driven gears, crafted with unmatched precision. EV shafts, powering the next generation of electric mobility. 7 units, 1 strong foundation. Srimukha Precision operates 7 world-class plants, all strategically located in the Ambattur industrial area of Chennai. Each plant is designed with a dedicated customer focus, ensuring faster response, higher efficiency, and consistent quality. From serving India's leading OEMs to partnering with trusted international brands, Srimukha has built a reputation for reliability across the globe. More than just factories, our plants are centers of advanced technology, engineering excellence, and customer trust, driving innovation every single day. Together, these units form the backbone of our manufacturing strength. And with every milestone, they reinforce Srimukha's vision of shaping the future of precision engineering. Machines and capabilities. Klingelberg CNC gear testing machine. CNC rack and spline rolling facilities. Rotary table induction hardening. Horizontal cold forging, part former. ZCMM measurement facility. Sealed quench furnace. We focus on 6 key verticals that define our future. EV motor shafts, powering the electric revolution with hub and mid-mount motor solutions, directly supplied to OEM. Near-net shape cold forging, delivering precision with Japanese technology for complex components like gears and races. Steering pinion shafts, fully finished with advanced hobbing, skiving, and cold forging technology. Precision engineered steering, worms and worm shafts, for smooth and reliable power steering performance. Noise-free powertrain gears, designed for next-generation electric mobility with advanced skiving, grinding, and honing. EV motor sub-assemblies and armature assemblies, precision built for critical automotive functions, from stators to window and roof systems. At Srimukha, our journey continues with a clear vision for the future. By 2027, we aim to redefine our industry leadership. Our target to become a 500 crore company with a minimum 60% market share in EV motor shaft. We will establish strong footprints in steering pinions, steering worms, and EV powertrain. We are also investing in advanced gear grinding technologies and mass production capabilities. And finally, we will scale up armature assembly for small motor applications, powering tomorrow's mobility. Over the years, Srimukha Precision has earned the trust of leading national and international OEMs. Our partnerships span across industries and geographies, a true testimony to our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer success.